Okay, beauties, I am back, honey, with the final look. Now, I will, y'all saw me with straight hair in my hair in the beginning of this video. Well, actually in my unboxing. So I want to come back to let you know that the hair is done. I will post something probably over this side or this side with showing the lace still on it and with me trying to straighten it out with the curlers. So the curlers that I used was, these are my hair candy, and I got these from TJ Maxx for $16.99, and I love these curlers. If you really want to get your hands on some curlers, y'all, go to TJ Maxx and get yourself a nice pair of curlers. They go flat irons, they go really high, and they're really professional. Now if you see, look at this, I don't have nothing to say but that this hair is like fire, baby. It's like fire. This is the Beauty Forever hair. Let's put my hands over this address. This is the Beauty Forever hair, and you can't really see, well, here it is right there, because if I show the top, then y'all gonna see my address. I don't even want y'all coming to my house, you know, sitting there like, girl, can you do my hair, can you do my nails? Anyhow, oh, I would do your hair and your nails, you come to my house. But anyway, so I went on and flat ironed the hair, and I went on and you know, took me a little break, see with it, just to see how she would react if I was to go outside. So I went outside a little bit, y'all, to see how she would react. So what I'm going to do is just, I'm going to pull up the hair that I purchased. And it is from Amazon Prime. It is a 16, 18, 20 inch plus a 14-inch closure, and it costs $155.05, and I got it within 2 to 3 days. You can get it for like 2 to 3 days depending on the weekend or whatever, but sometimes the weekend you still can get it. So this is the hair right here, and this is the Beauty Forever Hair Virgin Indian Straight Hair, 3 bundles with a closure, 8A unprocessed human hair. And that says that up the top. So, let me tell you about this hair. Honey, this hair is fire. This hair is beautiful. Now, I'm going to tell you, I love my Lonky Beauty. Lonky Beauty is my best company. But I'm going to tell you right, honey, I have 2 now. Lonky Beauty and Beauty Forever. So, I love this hair right here. Oh, my goodness. I've never had Indian hair before, so I can really see that the texture is different from regular human hair that you get, like Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, stuff like that. I can see the difference in it. And for me to, you know, when she contacted me and was like, can you do it? I was like, yes, we can, because I hear Beauty Forever all over YouTube. So I was like, yes, we will do this. But when I went to a website and I saw they had Indian, I said, J baby girl, you need to get your hand on some of the Indian. That way you can see all of the different types of textures that they had. So I really wanted to. But I'm going to tell you, I thought that she was like going to be a little bit longer than what she was. I mean, she's true to the left, don't get me wrong. But when I had, you know how you take a bundle and put it right there, so is she going to reach me here? Sometimes it's not like that. But she is longer still. Still longer than I anticipated her to be. Let me stand up so you can be able to see. Oh, girl, get in there. Yeah, so she is really longer than what she was. This hair is like fire, y'all. You hear me? I'm going to tell y'all something. I don't usually tell you to go and buy hair, but guess what? Get this hair. Get this hair. I am not being paid to say this. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm gonna tell you, when I know some good hair, when I see some good hair, I see some good hair, y'all. Plus it still have like the little white strands in it, gray strands, and so you know it came from a donor. It's not like it didn't come from a donor. The pros to this is that she don't shed like that. Now she does shed, but not like that. You know what I'm saying? And that's because I cut the bundles when I put it in and I brushed it. But I'm gonna tell you, she is so silky. I co-washed her and everything, and like I said, I will have a clip probably here while I'm talking, or I'll probably do a little later, I don't know, but it will be up there for you to see that this is the same wig that I was bundles that I was showing you. But I also had on a straight wig, because I told you guys I was rocking straight hair, and I love straight hair, whether that be synthetic or human. It just has to be something that I like, and I'm very picky. But look at this. We're talking about some serious flow here, y'all. We talking about blowing in the wind hair, honey. But anyway, so this hair right here is going to be probably my go-to hair for like this week. So I'm really excited. I don't have no glue in it or nothing. And the cons to it is that I just don't like the little teeny hairs that stick out from the closure. I'm gonna tell y'all truthfully. it sticks out, and some of it could be a little bit bigger than the other one, but I went attempt to pull some of the little hairs out, and I mean, you can, and it will make it better. Or even you could take some Got To Be and or any kind of hairspray and just spray it and just kind of like use it with your flat iron and flatten it down, and then it's fine. Now you will have to bleach this closure. I didn't bleach the closure. I just wanted to just put some concealer in, and y'all know I will bleach if I have to, but if I don't have to, I'm not gonna mess with it. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to over process it, or laziness. Girl, please just tell the truth, Jay. Tell the truth, laziness. But I'm telling you, I love it, y'all. I may be rambling because I don't really know too much to say. The hair is good. The hair is like really good. So I'm not being paid for this. If I was, you still would know the truth. You know, rather I'm being paid for it, and I just tell them, look, give me my dollars before I do the video, and you already know, because if I'm gonna tell the truth. I'm not obligated to them. I'm obligated to you guys. But Beauty Forever hair is really nice hair. I see that, and I love it. This Indian hair, yes. And they have a coupon code I'm gonna put at the bottom. All of everything that you need to know about this hair is going to be, look at that. Y'all see me trying to, well, I'm cute. But everything that you need to know is going to be in the description bar. Anything I left out, I probably will do another review on this hair. That way you will know about this hair. All I know is that I installed the hair, I cold washed the hair. I was going to put the black water dye on it, but I said, you know, I'm not going to watercolor it because I have plans to do something else with this hair, so I just left it at its natural state. So let's see. And then I went outside for a little bit and see if it was going to blow in the wind. And girlfriend was blowing all up in the damn wind. You know what I'm saying? She was blowing all up in the wind, and she is just beautiful. People was like, oh, I like your hair. I was like, thank you. Humbly, thank you. I'm cute. Thank you. Anyway, y'all, so I don't have anything much to say about it. That this hair is nice. And when I like her, honey. She is nice. And I didn't use all of the bundle because it was too much. It was too much for me. But I can go back and put it in, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Because this is how I like it. Let me get out of here, y'all. All I put into the hair was just the silicone hair serum. That was all I put into the hair, and basically that's it. You know, a little spray here, there. I don't have it down. It can be, you know, it's on a cap, so it can't come off because my hair is like really fitting to this cap, honey. It ain't like it's gonna swing ding off, but it's on. So I'm cute. Oh, I'm cute. Okay, y'all. Okay. J Baby out. Look, like J Baby always says, I'm cute. No. Anyway, okay, here we go. Like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.